Subscribers made a mini tornado in their living room. They used a smoke machine to make the smoke and then turned their ceiling fan in reverse to create the tornado. A giant wave came in and took out the bridge on the ship.
Bear bites you, boy. See that?
Hey! He left the freaking hose on. Oh my god. Y'all water bill gonna be high.
A car crashed into this tattoo parlor, but luckily nobody was hurt. This cat loves to find random garbage and bring it back inside.
Oh!
This person just kinda doesn't care about anything at all. One of my subscribers recorded this video of penguins that were curious about a shadow. So this is pretty cool. This saw can both measure and cut wood at the same time. So this is pretty sad. A crab found a medicine bottle to use as a shell. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.